Washing rice water while making rice. Then you are very wrong. You will be surprised to know the quality of rice water. It has some ingredients that are very effective, from hair care to skin care. Let's take a look at how you can use rice water for a healthy lifestyle. Skin care. Rice water is rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. As a result, this quality is very beneficial in skin care. Rice water is effective in increasing skin radiance and getting flawless skin. Use rice water as a toner. Again, rice water helps to keep the skin from sunburn. Hair care. Rice water helps in keeping hair roots strong. The amino acids present in it prevent hair damage and prevent hair fall. Use rice water hair serum after shampooing. There is no comparison to rice water in enhancing the shine of hair. To keep the immune system in good condition. If the immune system is good, the immunity increases. A 2022 Journal of the National Institutes of Health report that rice water contains B vitamins, iron, zinc, and magnesium that help support the immune system. Useful in reducing period pain. According to the Journal of the National Institute of Health states, during periods, women experience severe tension in the abdominal, waist or leg muscles. Rice water is effective in relieving this pain. Drinking a cup of warm rice water during pain is very beneficial. Aids in weight loss. Although it does not help much, rice water is beneficial in controlling weight. Eating rice water does not make you hungry for long. As a result, the desire to eat is less, which is very helpful in weight control. Today you learned about the quality of discarded rice water. If you like today's video, please like and subscribe and keep clicking on the bell icon next to it to get new videos. Until today, we will talk about something else later. Thank you.